Problem number 14, page 32 of the book. First, we need to simplify this equation. So, 2x dy over dx is equal to 1 over x. Then, 2x dy is equal to 1 minus x dx. So, this equation coincides with our homogeneous differential equation. Now, let's set y is equal to ux, then dy is equal to u dx plus x du. And then, by substituting this into our equation, we'll have 2x u dx plus x dy is equal to ux minus x dx. Then, simplifying this equation, we'll have 2x u dx plus x dy is equal to x u minus 1 dx. Then, by multiplying both sides with 1 over x, we'll have 2 u dx plus x du is equal to u minus 1 dx. Then this will become 2u dx plus 2x du is equal to u dx minus dx. Then simplifying this again, we'll have 2u dx minus u dx minus plus dx is equal to negative 2x du. Then this will become 2u minus u minus 1 dx is equal to negative 2x du. Then u minus 1 dx is equal to negative 2x du. Then this equation, by simplifying this equation, we'll have dx over negative 2x is equal to du over u minus 1. Now, this equation became a separable differential equation. Then, applying integral in both sides, we'll have negative 1 over 2 ln of x equal to ln of u minus 1 plus ln of c. Now, this will become ln of x to the negative 1/2 is equal to ln of u minus 1 plus ln of c. Then simplifying this, we'll have e to the ln of x to the negative 1/2 is equal to e to the ln of u minus 1 times e to the ln of c. Now, this will become 1 over square root of x is equal to u minus 1 times c. Then, substituting the value for u, we'll have 1 over square root of x is equal to c times y over x minus 1. Then, this will become 1 over square root of x is equal to cy over x minus c. Then, 1 over square root of x is equal to cy over x minus xc. Then, x over square root of x is equal to cy minus xc. Then this will become square root of x is equal plus cx equal to cy. Now our y is square root of x plus cx over c. Now this become our general solution for our equation.